What's going on, you guys? My name is Scott. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about 5 things that will make your life easier in the house washing business. All right, guys, before we get started, make sure you come over and click subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, even if it's just to say what's up. It helps the channel out so much. Let's talk about this. All right, it never fails. You get to a job and something's went wrong and there's things that you needed or things you should have took with you in advance to make life easier, things you could have even done at home. So here's 5 things that you gotta have. All right, we know you gotta have a pressure washer. We know you gotta have a respirator, all your PPE, things like that. That's personal protective equipment, glasses, respirator, chemical rated for bleach respirators, guys. Don't just get some regular respirator. You got to have the ones for bleach. So you got your PPE, you got your pressure washer, you got gas in your tank, you got your hoses, you got everything you need to go to work. Let me show you some other things that make life so much easier. All right, so number 5 is going to be O-rings. All right, you're going to need the ones that fit the 1/4 inch and you're going to need the ones that fit the 3/8 inch. Okay, I got these off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. But I cannot tell you how many times I've been to a job and something just explode in between my fittings or something and my O-ring's gone and I have to stop the job, go get some. Even when I had some in the truck, I have actually lost them or they fell out of the truck, things like that. And yeah, so make sure you've got plenty of O-rings, guys. I'm telling you, because it is aggravating when it goes out, okay? Water goes everywhere. You get no pressure. It sucks. You'll also want to go ahead and buy the tools, the small little precision tools to put them in and out. And yeah, it's pretty well easy to figure out. But if not, I'll make a video for you guys. All right, number 4, I don't know about you guys, but I live in an area where it pretty much stays warm, probably 10 months out of the year. And we have a problem with wasp nest. All right, so I cannot tell you, probably 85, 90% of the houses that we have went to wash had wasp nests. Sometimes the homeowner, they'll take care of them. Sometimes they don't. Sometimes they say they did and they didn't, and we've had to learn the hard way. So number 4, get you some Wasp and Hornet killer because you're going to run into them. And I really pray that you guys see them before you get into them. Sometimes you can't see them. We've been to several houses, guys, where at the end up on the attic where the vent is, maybe there isn't a screen there anymore, and we've actually sprayed a house washing solution up there, and these jokers come out like stormtroopers, and they're everywhere. Yes, your bleach spray and your house washing spray can knock them out pretty good, but we take it with us anyway, because if they're really bad, we are going to spray them because I don't want to get stung. I don't want my help getting stung, falling off the roof, falling off the ladders, because that would suck. So that's number 4. Number 3, you got to be able to take care of your equipment, guys. You got to be able to prevent rust and corrosion, and I cannot tell you how important it is to do these things. So number 3 on the list is a big old can of WD-40. I've got several cans of WD-40. I use them on my spray tips. I use them on my trailer. I use them on everything. I mean, anything that I can spray down to prevent corrosion from handling all these bleach products and stuff, that's what I need to do. All right, so I do that on my tools. If my tools are around it, on my pressure washing wand, my ladders, my reels. I mean everything. Anything that moves and is near all this bleach stuff, WD-40. Guys, listen to me. WD-40. Downstream injectors, WD-40 when you're done. Pressure washing tips, WD-40 when you're done. Soft wash tips, WD-40 when you're done. All those connectors, WD-40. Oh, and by the way, WD-40. Another thing you will use WD-40 on is the doorknobs and the locking mechanisms on houses. If you spray bleach in there and you don't put WD-40 in there afterwards, it's going to corrode and these people are not going to be able to get into their houses. All right, guys, number 2 on the list is just a first aid thing I think is very important. It's just hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide counteracts bleach, okay? I think it leaves it like just oxygen and water, okay? So if you get a bunch of bleach on your skin starts to burn, you can neutralize it with hydrogen peroxide. I would highly recommend that you don't put it in your eyeballs because it's probably gonna hurt a lot worse. I don't know what it does, honestly. Try not to put it in your eyes, but if you get it on your skin, you can counteract bleach with hydrogen peroxide, okay? So that's just a quick number 2 safety tip. And the last thing on this list is something that I should have bought day 1 and I didn't. I was going to my jobs. I was surface cleaning, pressure cleaning, everything. I had me a nice $200 set of leather boots. They lasted a week because the bleach solution ate all the glue. I mean, it just, they were Georgia boots. I mean, they were like $200 Georgia boots. They lasted a week, guys. So the very most important thing that I can tell you to get to make your life easier, not saying as far as safety or whatever, but the most important thing that I can tell you to get starting off, a nice, comfortable, I ain't talking about Walmart brand either, guys. I got these from Tractor Supply. Very, very good water boots. You'll thank me, especially when you start surface cleaning. In summertime, I mean, if we're not using a lot of bleach, I'll wear flip-flops. But in the wintertime, when it starts to get cool, these water boots are very lovely, guys. I'm telling you, because honestly, I've been wearing these tennis shoes to a lot of jobs, and my feet would get soaking wet, my pants would get soaking wet, and my socks would get soaking wet. And now that I've got these water boots, I mean, I'm wearing them almost every day. I just slide them on, go to work, and my feet stay dry. That's just a small list that I put together for you guys to try to help you out. These are things that have made my life a lot easier because nobody makes these types of videos and shows you, hey, you might want to think about having these on your truck and this on your truck and this on your trailer because you're going to need it. And I wish somebody would have told me. If you guys have something you want to add, please comment it below. It doesn't bother me a bit. We're here to learn and help each other, so let's do that, man. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Please help us get to 2,000 subscribers, and I will see you guys soon. God bless.